Hey, my friend, fellow traders, Will here with XAUUSD.com. So, start off another trading week. I hope you've had a great, relaxing weekend wherever you are in the world and ready for the week ahead in the Forex world. Okay, so if you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with my videos and my, as you see in the headline, this my free signals that I send you every week. Well, free signal, but they are pretty powerful signals, as you'll see in the video here. You can subscribe to the channel below. So also you can head over to our private Facebook group. Just look it up there. There'll be a link in the description area of the video here, and you can actually join the Facebook group and interact with the group. Okay, so see some of the trading results we have been getting. Free signals. So last week the free signal I give you was in the British pound USD. Beautiful trade. This week we're going to go with, first I will show you the signals. Okay, so finished my analysis today, and we've got about 21 signals that could possibly happen this week. And the free one I'm going to give you this week is on the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, so it's a rollover one, kind of rollover one from last week. And we're going to head over to the charts and just give you a quick reason why we're entering this trade and the actual prices. Okay, so see, we have had a nice drop here on the Aussie Kiwi from this kind of level here. Tested first, comes back up to test it again, and it's rallying down here. We're starting to get a bit of a little bit of a reaction here, this weekly area here. Okay, so you had this initial impulse up, pause, another impulse up, and what we'll do now, we'll just zoom into the daily charts, and you can see that we have this nice daily area here. Price is slowing down, coming into stepping down, and it now stepping down. Okay, so pretty simple trade next week. We're going to enter this trade. I'm just going to let it drop a little bit more, maybe around another 20 pips. And we're going to enter this trade on the buy side. Okay, so we're going to buy the cap buy AUDNZD. NZD. I'm going to buy it at 1057. I'm going to put our stop loss. Okay, our stop loss. Let's double check the stop loss in this. Okay, so just a pause there just to check the stop loss, because this drawn tool does not allow me to check at the same time. Okay, so we're going to buy AUDZD. Okay, I'm going to buy that at 1.057. Going to do 100 pip stop loss. Okay, so our stop loss goes underneath the zone. Stop loss at 1047. Now, take profit's going to be up around 108, so that gives us at least just over 2 to 1 take profit. Okay, take profit at 108. Okay, so that's your trade this week. Okay, so you enter that Monday morning. Preferably this one being the Asian session, so you want to enter it as early as possible. We enter all our signals, all our pending orders into the market on the Tokyo Open, 9 AM Tokyo time, and then we come back on a Friday and we close them, unless I state otherwise in our private Signal Telegram group. Okay, so that's the trade of the week this week. Past 4 weeks we've had some nice trades. You should be up around 300 pips over the past few weeks with our free signals, and this is looking like a really nice setup this week. Okay, so to access the actual, if you want to get the full list, remember, this is only one of the signals we're giving you. We've got 21 possible setups this week. You're going to access the full signal list. You can just simply click the link below, or click the big button that says Get Signals Now. Click that now. Head over, join the service. It's a very, very powerful service. You can see that in the Facebook group if you're on my email list or my YouTube channel. See, week in, week out, we generate pips and grow accounts. Okay, so everything's there for you. Any questions, let me know. Will at the FXAUSD.com. Have a great trading week, and I shall speak to you soon.